For our debate topic, we will be talking about drugs and crime, and I will be doing it from a Democratic perspective. The Democratic Party adheres to a more fact-oriented strategy on the issues of drugs and crime. To improve drug issues, we support reducing drug offenders. We also would like to address addiction and crime as societal issues. Recovery, care, and social justice is what this debate will focus on. In other words, our goal is to eliminate such measures as punishment and practice a healthy system for drug users to allow them to help and recover from these conditions, rejoin society, and become productive. Locking up people is not part of our plan. In contrast, we call for the funding of the treatments for mentally ill and the substance abusers, raising the number of available drug treatment facilities, and developing the so-called destructive role model programs. This will eliminate the root causes of crime and tackle the social economic barriers contributing to crime. Our view is that poverty and lack of education and proper health care are some of the factors that can cause crime. As of right now, we have the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, that helped increase affordable health insurance in the states. Thus, our strategy includes some forms of education and job training, as well as provision and basic affordable health care. By doing this, we assist individuals to find ways of survival which do not involve drugs or crime for the better part of their lives. Equally as important, we have to make sure that there is fairness in the criminal justice system. We can formulate such policies that abolish the abuse of minimum sentences in non-violent drug law offenses and promote healing rather than punishment. This in turn leads to rehabilitation instead of incarceration and helps to break the crime cycle. For example, countries like Norway and Sweden give people in prison opportunities to get their education or learn a trade, so that when they go back into society, they can find a job or start fresh. Places that have systems like this in place show lower rates of inmates being brought back into prisons after being released. It is worth noting that our strategy to stop drugs and crime, it is based on compassion, facts, and social equality. Resources directed towards prevention, treatment, and other inventions will lead to a better and more safe, secure society. The focus of this policy has to be changed from punishment and to a more humane approach to most issues. Working together, we will ensure that those with the disease of addictions are cared for, recovered, and families are happy, and the crime will be low. The goal of crime reduction is very honorable, and so is the mission of altercation, restoring lost, sane communities.